Right, so you've just had a look at iteration and the basics of that. Now we've had a look at what a polygon is. Now I want you to have a move on to this section, the iterative shapes, to give you the chance to explore this even further. How can we use these commands and the for loop that you just learned about to create several different shapes? So I've given you some starter code. Let's minimize this, where you can then control Adrian so that you can change the side length and the angle that he turns. This is similar to what you did back in lesson 1, changing the data in the variables. And then get it to repeat code a certain number of times in the loop to make Adrian draw some different shapes. So because this isn't about tripping you up, it's about letting you learn and take it step by step, we've got a starter code down here. So if I run this, it'll error to start with because it doesn't know what x is. So if we change x to the number of sides that we want, say 10, my turtle will keep going 10 times. Now at this point, because it's turning 90, it's going to keep drawing over and over and over lines. But how can you make Adrian draw all these different shapes? So explore that and then come back. And you could even go on to do more shapes than this.